In today's video, I'll show you how to make a social media style website using Wix. If you want to build an online community, a member-based platform, or a social hub around your brand or interests, Wix makes it surprisingly easy. Start by logging into your Wix account and clicking Create a new site. Wix will ask what kind of site you're building. Choose a community, blog, or custom site option, then browse through the templates. Pick a layout that feels social and interactive, or choose a blank template if you want full creative control. Once you're inside the Wix editor, begin customizing the design using the drag and drop tools. Add sections like a feed style blog, user profiles, image galleries, or discussion areas. Focus on keeping the layout clean and intuitive so users can easily explore and interact. Next, head to the Wix App Market and install key features like Wix Members area for user signups and profiles, Wix Blog for posts and updates, and Wix Groups or Forum to allow users to create discussions and comment. These apps are what transform a regular website into a social style platform. After adding features, customize your colors, fonts, and branding to match your vision. Think about engagement, clear navigation, readable text, and simple interaction buttons all help users stay active on your site. Before publishing, test everything. Create a test account, post a comment, upload content, and make sure pages load smoothly on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. You've successfully built a social media style website with Wix. Keep improving it by adding features and listening to your community as it grows. Thanks for watching and happy building.